My parents are teachers, so we kind of grew up hearing, keep your options open. You gotta have a path, you gotta have a direction, particularly when you're kind of type A. I need to achieve, I need to excel. I was kind of trying to figure out what I wanted to do. I had a great degree in liberal arts. I was good at problem solving, but I didn't have the skills or the tools to really do anything more and contribute in a bigger way to a company. And then I started looking around at MBA programs, talked to a lot of different people, and they said, if you're serious about an MBA, you need to go to Kelley because the network and the name recognition across the country, doesn't matter where you go, that's going to really open up a lot of doors. I know that a lot of people kind of prioritize from the beginning, pushing through and just getting it done as fast as they could, and that's awesome. I got engaged the week before the program actually started. I would need to kind of adjust my schedule to accommodate for that, figuring out how am I going to make all this stuff happen, not only time blocking it, but also be really present with wherever I am, and that's the one thing that I'm focusing on. And the professors in the Kelley MBA program would do anything to help me. They're on your side. I definitely made it work for me. There are a lot of really great reasons why people, and particularly women, should pursue an MBA. You know that you have more to offer. You know that you've got really great potential. That's just opening up your options. When you have a Kelley MBA, it just gives you more value. You're more valuable to the company. You have more career options. People know this person knows what she's doing before she walks in the door.